Vertical extension is a process where floors are added to the already existing structure vertically. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Siddharth, founder of Inkstone Infra, the #1 whole home renovation company in Bangalore. In this video, I will speak about the vertical extension on the load-bearing structure. There are two types of structures commonly used in residential construction. One is load-bearing, also called as wall-bearing structure, and another one is frame structure in which there are columns and beams. In the load-bearing structure, like this present house, the load gets transferred through walls to the subsoil. In framed structure, the load gets transferred through beams and columns to the subsoil. The biggest challenge in vertical extension on the old load-bearing structure is how to transfer the new additional load of the structure. Because this was not the part of the plan 20 years ago when the house was constructed. So, when a client approaches us to build a new floor on the terrace, first we do structural and soil tests to determine safe bearing capacity. Once the test results are positive and we are good to go, we will plan the construction on the existing floor. So, this is how you should determine whether your existing structure is safe to proceed for construction of additional floors. We are starting this vertical extension project. Stay connected for further updates on this project. For vertical extensions and space planning interior designs in Bangalore, call us today. For more videos on old home renovations, interior designs and architectural constructions, please subscribe to our channel Inkstone Infra. Thank you.